We love oat pots. Welcome back to our channel.
Hi.
Today we are making an oat pot. We love oat pots because it means we always have breakfast ready to go. We love oat pots to make porridge with. We love oat pots for soaked oats. Alfie loves his oats on a morning and they're fabulous for a midnight snack or if you need breakfast on the go at the beach. Good boy, hi, good boy, good boy. This morning we've made our oat pots for the next 2 weeks. It makes sure we always have breakfast ready every single morning. We make these pots up of the dried ingredients and then you just need to add a few wet ingredients and then you either have porridge or soaked oats. And it's very nutritious. In our oat pots this morning, we put 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for protein and omegas. We love to start the day off really well. We add in half a cup of oats. I love to start my day with oats. Oats are so good for you. We add a tablespoon of desiccated coconut for flavor and nutrition. We add 1 tablespoon of pea protein to boost our protein for the day, and 1 teaspoon of raw cacao because raw cacao is really good for you and it's a fantastic flavour booster. Once your oat pots are made, then you have a nutritious snack or breakfast ready any time of the day or the night. If you want to use these oat pots for soaked oats, all we do is add about a tablespoon or a bit more of 100% peanut butter and some oat milk, and that is a snack. Mix it up nice and smooth and that's a beautiful snack. If you don't have a toddler that can choke on things, I used to add so much to these pots. You can add goji berries, sultanas, hemp seeds, flax seeds, cranberries. What I love to do for porridge, some water in the pan and some frozen berries. Pour one of these pots in, stir it, and there's your porridge. No excuses to not have a very healthy breakfast. You can add to the top blueberries or cherries or mango, banana, any topping you like. I love to get a very healthy breakfast in first thing, and Alfie loves them. These oat pots are fantastic if you're a breastfeeding mummy. Both oats and raw cacao are amazing for producing breast milk. I've eaten my oats every day for 17 months now. If you've enjoyed today's video, please do press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Turn your notifications on to make sure you see our future videos. We're trying to produce videos every single week. We have got so many plant-based, vegan and vegetarian recipes to share as Alfie learns to cook. Thank you for watching.
Bye.